Yeah, yeah, la, 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 yeah.
Hello guys, welcome back again to another video. If you are my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing and I really appreciate you guys. And if today is the first time you're watching my video, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn the bell icon so whenever I upload any video you get notified. So guys, in today's video we're going to be doing eyelash tutorial on how to fix eyelash. So guys, the first thing with me is a tweezer, yeah, and mirror with mascara and eyelash, of course, fashion eyelash. I actually ordered this from Amazon and I've been using it up to a year now. It's very cheap and affordable. So guys, to start with, I'm going to be pulling it, each one of it from the pack, and it is very soft.
Yeah, yeah, la, la, la.
So now guys, at the bottom of the two edges there is a longer extra rope, or will I say holder, at the end. So I'm just going to be using my scissors to cut it off to make it look equal. So that's what you're seeing me doing right now.
Yeah.
So guys, this is it after being cut, and I'm going to be applying my mascara on my face little, just brushing my hairs up because I have a lot of eyebrows already. So, and that's why I'm going for this lighter medium eyelash that is not too full. So I'm just going to brush it up with so I'm going to be using my glue. I actually have Duke, but I prefer bonding, hair bonding than the Duke. It's just easy for me, so I'm just going to be using my brush to apply it, to take some bonding and apply it on my eyelash, all over my eyelashes at the end, just little on the end. And this, it can take me for 2 days, like it can hold on my eyes on 2 days if I don't want to remove it. It's very strong and it lasts. So I'm just going to be applying it little by little all over. So I just kept that aside to set, and I'm going to be taking the other eyelash. So I'm just going to be doing the same process.
Yeah, yeah, la, 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 la. Yeah, ooh,
So after doing that, the next thing I want to do is to take my mini mirror and then set it at my front. Like I will be looking down at my mirror. I'm not going to be looking forward. I'm just going to be looking down to my mirror. So in that way, you can fix your eyelash straight. You can get what you want. So now, guys, I'm just going to be applying it direct with my tweezer. And also I'm going to be applying the second one with my hand, so you guys will see the difference. I'm not normally used to this tweezer. I like using my hands a lot, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using a tweezer on this very side. I'm going to be using my hand on the other side.
Yeah, yeah, la, 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 la. Yeah, sometimes I wonder why.
So guys, I just finished applying it on my face. I'm just using my hands, my two main fingers, to press it down so it stick to my eyes and there will be no space. So I'm just trying to make sure it's in my line with my eyelashes.
Yeah, yeah, la, 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 la. Yeah,
So next guys, I'll be doing the other side, and I will be doing it with my hands, and because this method is quite simple for me and it goes smoothly. So guys, just watch closer on how I fix it. I'm just trying to bend it to my eye line so it will match my own eyelashes. So guys, I'm just trying to use my hands to match it with my own natural eyelash, and I hope you guys have learned on how to fix your own eyelashes at home and by yourself. If you do enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.